A trial date is swiftly approaching for the mayor of a small Texas town. And we're talking really small, y'all. A population of less than 500 people.
Kendleton Mayor Derry Humphrey faces 2 misdemeanors. We have been following this developing story out of Kendleton for a year now, and the mayor now set to appear at trial on Monday. ABC 13's Liliana Pearson made many trips down to Kendleton last year. She revisits what happened and why it matters.
This debacle stretches back more than a year. In December of 2022, Kendleton Mayor Derry Humphrey was accused of not fulfilling an open records request.
Well, this is one thing that myself as the mayor of Kendleton have never been faced with, all this open records.
Humphrey and his legal team saying at the time the request wasn't filled because the city didn't have the right resources in place, but they planned to fix it. The records request was placed by owner of the Lazy K RV Park, Todd Doucette.
So you're going to explain to me that you've been the mayor for 12 or 15 years and you don't understand how an open records request operates?
Doucette had submitted the request because his RV park's water bill suddenly jumped hundreds of dollars, and he felt he was being unfairly charged despite the city saying they were within their rights.
I had been paying the same amount for 7 years, which was about $100 a month. And it went to $700 a month.
For failing to fulfill the open records request in December of 2022, Mayor Humphrey faces a Class B misdemeanor. For overcharging Doucette, an abuse of official capacity charge from July of 2023, he faces a Class A misdemeanor. Councilwoman Sherry Schultz spoke to us back in August about the council only learning about charges against the mayor from ABC 13 and never the mayor himself.
There's a lot of questions, obviously. Something I think we need to all sit down and talk about. I wish, that they would trust in their council enough to sit down and tell us when things like this happen so we don't have to find it out from the public.
ABC 13 also reported in Kendleton when Mayor Humphrey got an unapproved 60% pay raise, and the city secretary, Christina Flores, got an unapproved 13% pay raise. Humphrey says his was accidental and he refunded the city, but he said Flores deserved the raise. Flores was fired in August of 2023 after locking journalists and council people out of City Hall. Humphrey remains in office despite calls for him to step down. Humphrey's trial date for both misdemeanors is set for Monday the 8th in Fort Bend County. His lawyer tells us he expects the trial date to be pushed back. I'm Liliana Pearson, ABC 13 Eyewitness News.